Are you tired of feeling stuck and weighed down by your negative thoughts? It's time to give your mind a fresh start and hit that reset button. In this video, we're going to explore the powerful benefits of spring cleaning your mindset and give you all sorts of valuable practical tips on how to declutter your thoughts and cultivate a more positive outlook on life. So don't miss out on this transformative journey towards a happier, healthier you. Like and subscribe to stay tuned for more content like this. Now let's get started. So in my last video, we discussed spring cleaning your business. If you missed that, you may want to go back and check that out. But today I wanted to dive in and talk to you more about spring cleaning your mindset. It's just as important as spring cleaning your home, spring cleaning your yard, spring cleaning your business. You just want to have this fresh start in all the areas of your life. And today we're going to talk about your mindset. One of the first great ways to start the process of spring cleaning your mindset is to practice mindfulness. Spend those few moments a day in quiet meditation. You can just simply focus on your breath. It doesn't have to be anything hugely elaborate. It just helps calm the chaos in your life and increases your self-awareness. And when you can do that for a few moments a day, it's going to make a huge difference long term. Next, we're going to want to let go of the negative thoughts. Now, this I know is harder than it should be, but you need to be more self-aware of when you start to have that negative self-talk with yourself and stop it in its tracks. And there's a couple of great ways to do this. One example would be if you're having, say, the thought of, oh, I'm not good enough. You can immediately counteract that with, I'm capable and deserving of success. Just flip that negative into a positive. Or another great way that one of my mentors shared with me to deal with that is to give that negative talk in your head a name. Let's just call mine Bertha. And when I start to talk to myself negatively and do that, I'm not good enough, then I just go, whoa, Bertha, not today. Shoo off. And that's just a great way of being able to kind of stop that negative self-talk in its tracks. Either counteract it with something positive immediately or give it a name and then tell that alter ego of yours to take a hike. It works wonders, trust me, and you can have some fun with it because we can't be serious all the time. We got to learn to laugh at ourselves a little. And then you're going to want to simplify your life. And there's many ways you're going to simplify your life. You're going to want to go back to the video about spring cleaning your business and literally declutter your space. There's something truly cathartic about decluttering and cleaning and clearing out your space. But you're going to want to clear out your schedule as well. It is going through all those little day-to-day tasks and really prioritize them. Are they something you need to be doing every day? And for my fellow entrepreneurs and business owners, this is where you really need to take a look at your DMO and decide, do you really need to be doing all those little menial tasks yourself every day? Some of them you could probably just get rid of and not do anymore if they're not that important to your business. But if they are important to your business, but it's something you can delegate, then that's something you really want to consider. Give it to a VA, give it to a fellow team member, something like that, but get it off your schedule. Clearing not only your physical space, but clearing your schedule and your calendar reduces stress and creates a lot more mental space for you to do the great, wonderful things that you want to do in your life and in your business. The next step you want to take towards spring cleaning your mindset is get outside, especially if you live in a northern region like me here in Canada, where we spend half the year in freezing cold temperatures and snow, and you just really don't want to go outside. Now that spring is here, the weather is gorgeous, the sun is shining, the snow has gone away, you want to get outside. This is so good for you on so many levels. It's good for you health-wise, it's good for your mindset, it's good for your mental health. Fresh air, sunshine, vitamin D, you can't go wrong in any way, shape, or form by getting outside, even if it's just for a small walk, a little bit more of an invigorating hike, or even something simple as having your morning coffee outside on the front porch or the back deck is going to make a world of difference in spring cleaning your mindset. Then that brings me into my next point, and that is practice gratitude. I am always thankful when I can enjoy my morning coffee outside in the warm air with the birds singing. And it has proven to increase your mental positivity, and it also increases your feelings of happiness. So do yourself a favor, grab a gratitude journal, and really write down all the things you are thankful for every day. It will improve your mindset immensely. Now, the next point I want to talk about is one of my super favorites. If you follow me enough and follow me over in my Facebook community, you will know I am the creative handy girl. I love to make stuff. I love to fix stuff. And having a creative activity that you can engage in regularly, whether it's painting, writing poetry, singing, it doesn't really matter. Engaging in creative activities helps reduce your stress, and it just uplifts your overall well-being. And here's an extra little bonus tip to that. Having creative activities that you engage in where you kind of think outside of the box, whether it's crocheting, painting, putting together and building things, which I love to do out in my she shed, really does allow you to then think more creatively and outside of the box in your business. So it is a win-win both ways. If you're looking for some new creative outlets for you to maybe get your hands on and try, I'm going to drop some suggestions for you in the descriptions. So go ahead, click on them, and go check them out. You'll thank yourself later. All right, so we are well on our way to spring cleaning our mindset, getting that brain clear, just feeling good. And now we're going to want to connect with others, because that is just as important. Spending time with friends and loved ones really is just going to help increase your overall happiness, and it's going to allow you to have a better level of mental health. And then outside of your immediate core group of friends and loved ones, you also want to be having connections with your team, your staff, even if you just have some sort of a staff social, team social once a month, just to get together outside of the work environment, just to connect with each other as humans, as friends, as coworkers is really great. And if you want to take it even one more level above that, volunteer out within your community. Get involved in other groups. There's so many great groups and clubs and volunteer opportunities in every community, and it's really going to help lift your mindset. It's going to connect you with new people you probably wouldn't have otherwise had in your circle, and just bring a whole new level of goodness into your life. And then you're going to want to take care of you. This is always important because we put ourselves last. We are always the last on our own list, but it is super important for your mindset and your mental health to take care of your body. This means eating right, getting your water in. Yeah, mine's nearby, even with my coffee. Getting a good adequate amount of sleep for you. It's different for everybody. And getting exercise. Now, as we go through different stages of our life, this could also mean you need to add in some vitamins and supplements because our bodies just can't absorb enough. To really get enough of all the nutrients we need out of fruits and vegetables every day, we'd have to be eating fruits and vegetables like every 5 minutes all day, and we just can't do that. So sometimes we also need to be open to that idea that we need to take some sort of a supplement along with eating healthy and exercising and drinking our water, just to kind of help us along. I'm going to drop a link to some of my favorites down in this description. Feel free to click on them and go check them out. As you all know, I wouldn't recommend something if I didn't stand by it and take it myself. So you can be rest assured there. Next, let's go one more step in improving and spring cleaning that mindset. Challenge yourself. Set goals for yourself and then actively work towards them. This can help build your confidence, and it's going to give you that sense of accomplishment that's going to help increase and boost your positive mindset. So go ahead, be brave, dive in. And that leads me to my last tip. And this is learn something new. Engaging in new and challenging activities can help keep the mind sharp. It's going to improve your overall cognitive function. So consider taking a class, learning a new language, or as we mentioned above with the creativity, try a new hobby. All of these, as I said, are going to help you in your mindset. They're just going to help you feel like a better, happier, more well-rounded person. And it's going to help you think more creatively and outside of the box for your business. So all of these are a win-win all the way around and are going to totally help you become the better version of yourself that you want to be for both your business and your family. So I hope you've enjoyed all that. Please go through the description below. I'm going to throw a lot of links for you to some new hobbies you could try, some supplements you could check out, my favorite gratitude journals that you can go and grab and start your gratitude journaling today. I'm going to throw all that in the description for you. So please go ahead and check those out. If you're interested in staying tuned for more kind of mindset and business information like I share here on my YouTube channel, come over and join me in my Facebook community, my Re-Emerging Spirits Life Warriors small business tribe, and connect with all of us over there. We would love to have you. So stay tuned until the next episode, but until then, re-emerge and rise, my warriors, because warriors do it better.